Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana and in this video we are going to solve this Maths Olympiad question that 10 factorial by 6 factorial is equal to x factorial, and we need to find the value of x factorial, right? So now we know that 10 factorial, what is n factorial? N factorial is actually equal to n minus 1, n minus 2 up to so on, and 3, 2, 1, right? So here 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. We will leave it here. Why? Because we know we have 6 factorial in the denominator and it will cancel out, okay? And this is x factorial. Now we will cancel these two out, right? We got 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 is equal to x factorial. Now we need to write this somehow. It will become something factorial. How? So we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 is equal to x factorial, right? What is 10? 10 is 2 times 5, right? Times 9 is 3 times 3, right? Times 8 is 2 times 4 times 7 is equal to x factorial. Now 1 we can write as, when 1 we can take in any multiplication, it doesn't affect, right? So 1 times, if I take 1 of 2 here, okay, 2 and 1 I have taken, and now I take 1 of 3 here, right? Now I take 4 here, then I take 5 here. Now this 3 and 2 will become 6 times 7 is equal to x factorial. If we see this is actually nothing but 7 factorial. 7 factorial is equal to x factorial. So what is x then? X is equal to 7. I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And for more such videos, please visit my channel and you will find like many shorts on short tricks as well on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.